see a light that is coming. Oh, calm down. There's more.
Oh.
This leaf is very, what's the word? Distracting. Cry, even when you let, I can see it in your It's a sad song. Right now we're here to pray. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another. No.
Welcome back to the vlog.
Yeah. Welcome back to another vlog. We really appreciate you guys for subscribing.
Matching.
Oh no. For subscribing and for watching our videos, supporting our podcast, listening to our kōrero. We appreciate you all from the bottom of our hearts. We hope you have a productive week. Again, if you enjoy listening to faith-based podcasts, our podcast is available on all streaming platforms. It's called Nights of the Round Lolo. Also, we release our sibling episode on Tuesday, and we'll also release the full video here, so you can have a laugh. Hope you get to tune in. Yeah, we go in, we do a bit of a roast. So bring the peas and the gravy. Was that funny? Lies. Comment down below if there is a podcast that you recommend for us to have a listen to. I like listening into random podcasts every so often. And yeah, if you've got a suggestion, please comment down below. And don't forget, we're releasing our 300 subscriber video, I think next week or the week after, so that you can go into the draw to win some goodies from us. But yeah, shout out to all our YouTube fam here, from our PolyTube community, who continue to show love and support. You guys are the best. You know who you are. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know exactly who they are, because I shout them out sometimes. I'm due for a shout out. Actually, I need to do that this week. Anyways, God bless you all. Have an awesome week. I pray it's productive, that you're open to trying new things, new challenges. Oh, and don't forget Miracle Mondays. Yeah, for your dose of encouragement to kickstart your week. What did we do this? Oh yeah, we review HelloFresh. We review 2 HelloFresh meals, which are vegetarian meals, so you get to see that here. I don't know why I'm holding up my tweezer. You'll get to see that in the next couple of videos. But other than that, love you all. I better stop rambling because I'm wasting time. Bye now. Oh, adventure challenge video coming out soon. Slack. You're slack, Lizzie. Bye, vlog. Bye, soul.
Bye.
Riv's out here. He's trying to set some stuff up for our potty so I can record my Miracle Mondays. Okay, bye-bye now. This is what I'm making. Golden zucchini, carrot, and cheddar fritters. So the colour up here correlates to the colour on here. So, see the green? I'll bring out what's inside. Pepitas. Beetroot. Chili flakes. Potatoes. Okay.
You said for one person.
No, it should feed about 2 to 4 people. The instructions are on the back. Roast the veggies. Okay. sister.
Hi. Oh my gosh, look at my hair.
No, look at my hair.
No, look at my hair.
Then mine just dead leaf. Can you come close?
This is as close as I can get.
Closer.
No, this is really as close as I can get.
Can't go any closer.
Can you come sit on this side then?
Please.
Kung malumal na ilalaw ay.
Come on, sissy, Mike.
Why look white?
Oh, it's not even
You're
touching
such
it, bro.
a
Relax.
relax. Oh, sorry. Just watch out for your feet.
This leaf is very, what's the word? Distracting.
Forgive me if I look a little
Let's just finish the
tired.
exam. We're going to give our honest review on HelloFresh. This is our first meal we've tried with HelloFresh. It was, what's the food called?
I like it. It's nice
Corn
and
fritters.
healthy.
Corn fritters with baba ganoush. I
It's
keep
nice,
thinking it's
but
called babushka.
You spend
Babushka.
time to cook it.
I've already deducted points because they didn't even have all the ingredients.
They
Kapucha.
don't have their what?
They didn't.
Okay.
It's nice.
It is nice. Yeah, we'll end up looking like this.
You forgot it.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Ta-da!
So it was zucchini and carrot fritters with a side dish, which is salad. But the salad had roasted potatoes and beetroot with a olive oil honey dressing. Yum.
Babe. Baby. Ano ba sa akin yan?
Ano makuha? Yummy or
That's yum.
I'm going to cool it. Shalom milk bitches for lure flick more for.
What? How do you mean?
They're running away from him.
That's what the fork is all about.
The dressing's a bit sweet for my liking.
Oh, it all makes sense. The flavors make sense.
I like the babushka.
What's baba ganoush?
I know. I
The
like
bitches is like a food attendant.
It's alright, Mum. Our bodies cover the whole frame. We can't even see anything else.
I see these broad shoulders.
Mine will look really square.
Yeah, it was beautiful. I really like it.
It's really nice lunch.
Kula ilan mo lamb chops. Oh.
Ay, isa yun may ayal parang isa may ayal samo.
Yo siya may
Samuel,
qualified.
mo pa ang pupo yun. The chops.
Wow. Our bodies are built differently though from Balangis.
Yeah, that's right.
Not all the palang.
Because our bones is very strong and heavy.
Not all the palang. Some palang.
Yeah, I'm really enjoying this. What?
Have you got any more lemon?
Yeah. We were missing ingredients. Now, correct us if we're wrong. We've never done HelloFresh before. But are you supposed to supply your own ingredients like salt, pepper, flour, egg?
Oh, salt and pepper, yeah.
Egg?
But
Flour?
Kula ilan egg come
Yeah, it's good.
Oh.
what do you think holds the fritters together?
And some power, you know.
There's Dad giving this commentary on the side here. Would I make these again, like, when we feel like cooking? Yeah, I think so.
But we'd have to be in the mood.
If you are a busy person and you operate in time increments, HelloFresh is not for you.
It could be if you were to
Set aside time for it.
no, if you were to meal prep.
But it's great for those that like to come home after work, wind down, cook, have a glass of wine. But some of us just have too busy, my life's too busy to stand around making food. That's why YouFoods is a great option because of the convenience. Fresh food, and all you need to do is heat it up.
Yeah, that's cheap.
Not gonna lie, some of their recipes are a bit dodge, but yeah, it's the convenience. And that's the reason why I wouldn't order HelloFresh again.
The only thing about YouFoods is that recipes haven't been consistent.
Yeah, for some of the freezer, not all of them.
Maybe you need to buy a little.
Because that
Good thing you
the first
live.
time I tried-
HelloFresh.
HelloFresh.
Is this the chefs
Well,
that make it?
En mange je wordt nu ja, ook maar koek.
Before packaging? Email the chefs.
All I could think of when I was cooking, I was like, oh my gosh, what a waste of time.
I think if you got the hang of this recipe, it would be really like a lot faster. It is a simple recipe, that I'll give them that.
If someone can cook it for me, it would be great.
It's just if it's quite fiddly. Like all the different components of the meal you have to prepare.
I added chili flakes into the fritters. Yeah, definitely beautiful flavors in it. I really enjoyed the flavors. Flavorful.
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 You might go for a nap. Oh, eyes are a bit sore.
Yeah. She's been awake for the last 48 hours for exams.
Lola, zijn we nog van je?
Yeah!
High five.
High five, everyone.
Oh, are you gonna mucking around now? Yeah.
Heck yeah, for 3 weeks.
High five.
You have to come into the camera. You have to reach. Dad. That was
not.
Oh yeah.
Alright, that was our honest review on our first meal from HelloFresh. Shout out to HelloFresh.
Nice healthy lunch.
You should come all of us. Five
This
of
is
us.
cute. I did like this.
It was yum. Alright then, bye bye now.
3, 2. What is your name and what's happening?
My name's Slim Shady.
Oh my-
Eminem, and today I'm gonna sing the first verse of Mockingbird.
Mockingbird. What's that song?
Haley, I know you miss your mom. And I know you miss your dad, but I'm gone, but I'm trying to give you the life that I never had. I can see you sad, even when you cry, even when you laugh. I can see it in your eyes. It's a sad song. But deep inside, you want to cry. Daddy, it's been past 20 seconds, right?
No, it hasn't.
Yes,
It's
it has. Finish.
Yeah, you didn't. No, you said you were gonna do the first verse. That wasn't the first verse.
Yeah, but we only have to do 20 seconds worth. Hush, little baby. Everything's gonna be. You're welcome for the entertainment.
You forgive the marshmallows. It wasn't the marshmallows' fault that you weren't following instructions. That you were eating your marshmallows instead of
We're at the gym, at the place that I hate. Are you alright, Phil? Calm down. Right. Yeah. Oh my gosh! Something wrong. Hello everyone. Oh man, I hate the gym. Oh no, I love it. I love it. I think I pulled something on my side, lifting the tire. These guys are dancing hard out and I don't think it's a godly song, guys. I'm gonna go sit in the sauna for a little bit. We do this to ourselves. Me especially. I eat and I'm like, yeah, don't worry, we'll go to the gym, work it out. Just absolutely poor mentality. Man, our gym's coming through some good tunes after our workout. Lizzie! Come on!
You're
No.
cute.
I said you are.
No, you are. Why don't we both?
Both be cute.
Both. Good morning, everyone. It is a beautiful day. Rogan's really feeling herself today.
No, I'm not. It's just my hair is fluffy. Fluffy. Fluffy dog.
Guess what time I woke up this morning? I woke up at 8 o'clock.
You know what time I woke up?
7.
I think it was before 7 and then I couldn't go back to sleep.
You're so silly, girl.
It's just hard, you know. We only slept at like 2 o'clock this morning.
2. We slept at 2.
Because I had some things on my brain I needed to write down, you know.
Yeah. No, we slept after. Oh no, I slept after 2.
What a beautiful day!
What a day! We're going on our sister date.
On a trip. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. Have you never heard of that before?
No. Okay. But yes,
Just shows my age.
we're gonna bring you along with us today. I've had to take over the vlog because someone has been a bit slack in their vlogging.
Whoa! Get out of here.
So I will
Have
be
you not been watching
vlogging.
vlogs?
I will be vlogging today. Okay. See you there. Bye.
my vlog. Vlog it then. Right now we are at Crunch Cake.
Can you stop telling them what we're doing?
Oh, right now we're here to pray.
We're about to get some chicken salad.
Oh man, everyone is lining up outside the sushi place, the crepe place, dumplings, and then these Samoan girls just walk straight through the crowds to come to Crunch Cake because we love Korean fried chicken.
I really felt like dumplings today.
And Liz got some dumplings, and we're about to show you what we're eating. I know you're gonna be like, weren't you just like dying in the previous video at the Gaim?
You?
Yes, you are correct, first and foremost. Second of all, you work on your own life. What? You smell what? Chicken.
I'm gonna make the chicken.
Sisters Day out. Now we're waiting patiently for our chicken.
Look at my eyelashes,
The
everyone.
way you walk down my life. Oh, sorry. Almost knocked out the poor man.
Don't ever apologize.
Are you okay? You're not Cruella. We're here again to pick up our click and collect order. Oh, Lizzie! Ready for our click and collect order here in the boot. We can't fit both of us.
Freaking move over.
You. I'll beat you up.
Touch my hair. Don't touch my hair.
But I want to touch your hair.
Off. Don't touch my hair.
I'm not touching your hair.
Stop then.
I'm touching your skin. She's pissing me off tonight. Great, thanks. How are you?
Had me at a low. I don't understand why you're thinking of. You had me at a low. I don't understand why you're
Yup. Walking into the gym once again. Let's go. Alright, so who's that? This is not the walk of shame. This is the walk of freedom.
I don't understand why you had me at a low.
We're at the gym Friday night.
Yup.
Sister. What's oh. Oh. Sister?
Dumb song.
What, sister, what's happening? What's happening?
We're playing dodgeball.
No. We're playing ball
We are.
tag. So, we didn't want to circuit train tonight because we're too tired. So, this is a game of tag. We're going to be playing in this blue square. And you have 3 big, round, black thingies. What are they called? Exercise balls? What? medicine balls. Yeah. And then you use this to tag the person, like this. Tag, you're it. You ready? Tag,
You can use any
Ow.
form of tagging.
tag.
You can pick up the ball and throw the ball at the person, or you can just kick the ball. It's up to you.
Okay, are we ready?
We're gonna
Are
start
you
by-
ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Good morning, everybody. Don't mind my shower cap.
Let's go.
It's helping to hold down the mess underneath the shower cap.
Yeah.
We are hungry and we're saving money at the moment, so we do have our HelloFresh in the fridge, which we're gonna attempt to do today. Well, so you're coming to help me. What are you staying over there for? Go get your ball on my mouth. Oh, the shower cap's annoying me.
Now she wants to ball me in the eyes.
No, I don't want the hair to go into the food. Also,
So it's fine. I know your hair's
from the top, make it drop. Oh, what an evil song. Can you get the baking paper also, please?
Let's go.
I'll just do it like this. Looks more stylish.
Now where's the... Here we are. Baking paper.
We need the olive oil, salt and pepper.
Baking paper.
We need a bit of garlic powder.
As much as we want a burger from McDonald's, we want to save the money. And,
Yeah, because we've already got our HelloFresh meal we need to finish.
Yeah.
Okay, so shout out to HelloFresh. This is what we're making.
What are we baking today?
Mumbai chickpea and sweet potato dosadillas with tomato salsa and yogurt.
Tomato.
That's what we're making today.
Yeah.
So we need to also go to the fridge at the back. We got our little brown paper bag with the pink dot. That's the pink dot that correlates with the pink dot on the menu, on the recipe thingy bit. So, got the tortillas. Oh, the tortillas. Oh my gosh, I'm so new. The tortillas, coriander or cilantro, bell peppers or capsicum, green capsicum, tomatoes and onions, chickpeas, the sweet potatoes, vegetable stock powder, the Mumbai spice blend, tomato paste. Oh, tomato paste. So I like leaving this bag on the side because we can use it for rubbish. We can't really do anything right now because they also took the recipe. So right now we'll just stir our ingredients. Shredded cheese, Greek style yogurt,
Tandoori paste.
tandoori paste.
Tandoori.
Okay, so this is the menu. Oh, sorry, this is the recipe. This is what it should look like. This is what you should be. This is what you should have inside your brown paper bag. And then at the bottom it says pantry items, so things that you should bring. Or that you should have in your pantry, which I don't have. I don't have white wine vinegar. I don't have. Oh yeah, we got butter and olive oil. No, we don't need to add those. Okay, and then at the back, it's got you the calorie count and the ingredients, in case you're into that stuff, like the nutritional value of all of the ingredients you're using. And then it also has the recipe and pictures on how you should make it. So the first step is, what's the first step also?
First step. Bake the sweet potato.
Okay.
fresh meal, the Mumbai chickpea and sweet potato dosadillas. The reason why, or when I eat healthy, I like to be pescatarian, so, and no meat, just fish and vegetables and stuff. So that's the reason why we ordered vegetarian meals for our HelloFresh. So I'm gonna try it now, so yeah. Okay, pick whatever and let's try it.
Oh, that's my stomach grumbly.
Oh, calm down.
Oh,
We have Greek yogurt
that's good.
and our salsa. I didn't put white rice vinegar. Oh, no, white wine vinegar. I hate vinegar.
Oh man, that's really nice.
Isn't it?
Mm.
I was worried it was gonna be spicy.
I'd definitely have this again. Eh?
I was worried this was gonna be spicy, but it's not even.
No.
But it says in the recipe, if you don't like spice, then only add like a tiny bit. But I just added the whole thing. Oh, what a rude dude.
There we go.
Look at that hot. Look, I've
This is
never
a mean
tried
healthy
yogurt with my stuff. Food. Like Greek yogurt.
Oh, it's a quick yogurt. Oh yeah, that's right.
It's nice.
Actually.
Have a plate as well.
It was nice, man.
The reason why I ordered HelloFresh was just to try it out. I've got our YouFoods order coming in, being delivered today as well. It's just trying to make healthy lifestyle choices. Not that we follow through with them a lot of the time, but we try.
Yeah, the second one. Oh, there it is, the one that I got first cheaper.
I'll make that again.
For sure.
And during the week we can't do this. I have no time.
No.
Right now it's Saturday, so we can. This morning we had our prayer walk, and then after our prayer walk we were filming for our church stuff. Oh, I keep dropping chickpeas. And then I was sitting there and I was hungry. I was starving.
Mm-hmm.
Man, what's good with HelloFresh is that anyone can do it. It's foolproof. It's idiot proof. Actually, just can't stuff it up. Unless you leave the things in the oven or on the stove for too long. We arrived home from filling up our car with petrol, and our YouFoods order has arrived as well. So I'm gonna show you what we got. I love YouFoods. I wouldn't say, I can't say that all their recipes are the best. What I will say is that these meals are convenient.
Yes.
Come closer, Ethel. Oh, this is my snacks. So I got mango and passion fruit crunch yogurt. They're having a sale, so it's half price for all of their snacks. Got some popcorn. I ordered pescatarian meals as well as meals with meat because for Rev and Josh. You're more than welcome to meet freely in this place, Father. You are there. We praise you, Lord. We prepare the way for you to come.
me.